Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Nathan here at Allbrand Caravan Services. Today I'm doing a window replacement on this Snowy River Caravan you can see beside me. As you can see, I have removed the window already, which we do by removing the internal blind from the window. That is what secures the window in place, cutting all of the silicone around the external perimeter of the window itself, and then removing it from the van. Once you've cleaned up all of the silicone around the outside of the window, the new window is ready to go in. So we've got that one ready to go. We're going to seal it up, place it onto the van, and then we will then make a sandwich technique with the blind and the window itself to press it onto the wall and secure. And then we will run one last perimeter seal around the outside of the window to ensure there are no water leaks on this customer's caravan. Continuing on from what you've just seen previously, I just wanted to bring you in here and show you how to actually replace the blind assembly, or at least remove the blind assembly from the window. Inside here you have all of these little rubbers which you will remove using a small pick tool or a flat blade screwdriver, anything small that you can get in there without damaging the blind itself. Pull those little rubbers out, and behind there will be some Phillips head screws. You'll pull all of those screws out, and then you will be able to remove the blind from the window assembly. Inside behind there you will find some smaller hexagonal pieces that are securing the window in themselves, and that is what the screw actually screws onto. You just remove those with a spanner of the right size, and that way you can then cut your silicone and remove the window as explained earlier. If you guys have got any questions, you know where to find us. Thank you.